जय राधा माधव कुंज जना बल्लभा ज्योति जना बल्लभा यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यमुना तीरा तेरा बना जाना माया तेरा तेरा जना ओम मिलता जैना तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः वंदेहं श्री गुरा श्री प्रपद कमला श्री गुरु साग्रजाता सहगण रघुनाथं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजना कृष्ण चैतन्य देवान राधा कृष्ण पदान सहगण ललिता शाखान्विता हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी श्री राधे कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा बोलिए सब लोग बोलिए हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे और कृष्ण लोग जपे घरे घरे हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे। अब भगवान का नाम सब लोग जपे घरे घरे। You understand this word? हरे हरे and घरे घरे ये similar word.
Every house.
We should every town and village and home and city on the street everywhere should be glories of the holy name. हर जगह भगवान के नाम का हो पृथ्वी ते आते नगरादि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार है कि मोर नाम। सिटी विलेज स्ट्रीट होम एवरीवेयर शुड बी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु अवधेषु
भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिके श्रीमद् भगवद गीता as it is chapter 12 text number 6 and 7। यतु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परा
मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः
अनन्यवैर्योगेन
अनन्यमययोगेन
मां ध्यायन्तुपासते
मां ध्यायन्तुपासते
तेषां समुद्धर्ता
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता
मृत्यु संसारसागरात्
मृत्युसंसारसागरात्
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
Translation. For word-to-word meaning, translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
But who worship me, give up all their activities unto me, and being devoted to me without deviation, engage in devotional service and always meditating upon me, having fixed their minds upon me. O son of Pritha, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Please repeat after me. But those who worship me,
But those who worship me,
giving up all their activities unto me,
giving up all their activities unto me,
and being devoted to me
and being devoted to me
without deviation,
without deviation,
engage in devotional service
engage in devotional service,
and always meditating upon me,
and always meditating upon me,
having fixed their minds
having fixed their minds
upon me.
upon me.
O son of Pritha,
O son of Pritha,
for them
for them
I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death.
who should deliver from the ocean of birth and death.
Purport. It is explicitly stated here that the devotees are very fortunate to be delivered very soon from material existence by the Lord. In pure devotional service, one comes to the realization that God is great and that is the individual soul is subordinate to Him. His duty is to render service to the Lord, and if he does not, then he will render service to Maya. As stated before, the Supreme Lord can be appreciated only by devotional service. Therefore, one should be fully devoted. One should fix his mind fully on Krishna in order to achieve Him. One should work only for Krishna. It does not matter in what kinds of work one engages, but that work should be done only for Krishna. That is the standard of devotional service. The devotee does not desire any achievement other than pleasing the Supreme Personality of Godhead. His life mission is to please Krishna, and he can sacrifice everything for Krishna satisfaction. Just as Arjuna did in the battle of Kurukshetra, the process is very simple. One can devote himself in his occupational and engage at the same time in chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Such transcendental chanting attracts the devotee to the personality of Godhead. The Supreme Lord herein promises that without delay He will deliver a pure devotee, thus engaged from the ocean of material existence. Those who are advanced in yoga practice can will fully transfer the soul to whatever planet they like to by yoga process, and others take the opportunity in various ways. But as far as the devotee is concerned, it is clearly stated here that the Lord Himself taking him. The devotee does not need to wait to become very experienced in order to transfer himself to the spiritual sky. In the Varaha Purana, this verse appears. In the Varaha Purana, this verse appears. Nayami Paramam Sthanam Arachiri Adi Gatam Vina Garuda Askandha Aropya Yathecham Anivaritah. The purport of this verse is that a devotee does not need to practice Ashtanga Yoga in order to transfer his soul to the spiritual planet. The responsibility is taken by the Supreme Lord Himself. He clearly stated here that He Himself becomes the deliverer. A child is completely cared by his parents, and thus his position is secure. Similarly, a devotee does not need to endeavor to transfer himself by yoga practice to other planet. Rather, the Supreme Lord, by His great mercy, comes at once riding on His bird carrier Garuda, and at once delivers the devotee from material existence. Although a man who has fallen in the ocean may struggle very hard and may be very expert in swimming, he cannot save himself. But if someone comes and picks him up from the water, then he is easily rescued. Similarly, the Lord picks up the devotee from this material existence. One simply has to practice the easy process of Krishna consciousness and fully engage himself in devotional service. Any intelligent man should always prefer the process of devotional service to all other paths. In the Narayaniya, that is confirmed as follows. In the Narayaniya, this is confirmed as follows. Yavai sadhan sampatti purusharth chatursaye taya bina tad apnoti nara narayana siya. Nara narayana siya. Ashraya. Nara narayana ashraya. The purport of this verse is that one should not engage in different process of fruitive activities or cultivate knowledge by the mental speculative process. One who is devoted to the Supreme Personality of Godhead can attain all the benefit derived from other yogic process. Speculation, rituals, sacrifice, charity, etc. That is the specific benediction of devotional service. Simply by chanting the holy name of Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. A devotee of the Lord can approach the supreme destination easily and happily. But this destination cannot be approached by any other process of religion. The conclusion of Bhagavad Gita is stated in the 18th chapter. Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braja aham tvam sarvapapyebhyo mokshishyami ma sucha. One should give up all other process of self-realization and simply execute devotional service in Krishna consciousness that will enable one to reach the highest perfection of life. There is no need for one to consider the sinful action of his past life, because the Supreme Lord fully takes charge of him. Therefore, one should not futilely try to deliver himself in spiritual realization. Let everyone take shelter of the Supreme Omnipotent Godhead, Krishna, that is the highest perfection of life. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परा अनन्येव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषाहं समोद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसार सागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्. But those who worship me, giving up all their activities unto me and being devoted to me without deviation, engage in devotional service and always meditating upon me, having fixed their minds upon me, O son of Pritha, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. So very nice verses. In these verses, Lord Krishna assured the devotee life insurance. Nowadays everyone is very eager to make himself life insurance. In India, there is a biggest department, life insurance department, LIC. As the LIC logo is Ananya Chintayanto Ma Yogkshemam Bahamyaham. And the logo, there is a one kapot within two hands, and this verse is mentioned, Yogkshemam Bahamyaham. Krishna is only Yogkshemam Bahamyaham. He can do only whatever you need. Krishna can fulfill our need, and he protect also. He supply everything, and he is in charge of security department also. He is the producer of everything. He nicely maintaining everyone's need and protecting also. Yogkshemam Bahamyaham. But LIC also cheated this verse from Bhagavad Gita, and they are claim we are real protector, your supplier, like a government also claiming you are giving everything. Water comes from here. If there is no rain, how government can supply water in your home? The source of everything is coming from Krishna. He is supplying water, air, sunlight, earth, whatever you are utilizing, that everything is created by Supreme Lord for living entity. If there is a bill comes of sunlight, how I can pay? If bill comes from air, earth, many needs are coming by the Supreme Lord without any charge, free charge. like a sunlight. Whole day we are working in the light of sun. If bill comes from the sunlight, nobody can pay. You are paying electricity bill, end of month or 2 months or 3 months, or quarterly or yearly, you are paying something for water and electricity. So many bills. In America, so many bills comes every end of the month, maybe after 15 days. Many charge, many taxes, like vehicles. Someone has vehicles, they also yearly paying for what that is said, vehicles, petrol, diesel, everywhere there is a tax. So, but Lord is supplying everything without any such taxes. He's not claiming you pay this much. So Krishna is the protector, is the supplier. Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. Krishna also declare, you just come in the lotus feet. You take the shelter of my lotus feet. I am deliverer. I can deliver your all sinful reaction or life, jan janmantar, karm karmantar, lok lokantar, man manvantar. Unlimited reaction of sin, only Krishna can be make free from the sinful reaction. Krishna is here giving insurance. Don't worry. Please come. I can free from all the sinful reaction. But there is a one condition. Just you take shelter of my lotus feet. Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam. One devotee was explaining, Krishna is promised, Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. In Tirupati, Govinda, Tirupati Balaji, one hand is up and one is in his lotus feet. He indicating, Tirupati Balaji means Krishna is indicating, please take shelter of my lotus feet. Like this, one hand is shining, indicating, please come under my lotus feet. I will deliver promotion of birth and death. Only Krishna is the Samudharta, he is the deliverer. He can only deliver from the birth and death. No demigod, no other, only Krishna. He is the Sarv Karana. But you should, Etu Sharmani Karmani. But those who worship me, giving up all their activities unto me, Yat Karoshi, Yadadnasi, Yat Jahoshi, Dadasi, Yat Tapasyasi Kaunteya, Tat Kurushva Madarpanam. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are eating, what austerity you are performing, what you are giving for charity, you should deliver, you should dedicate in the service of Lord Krishna. Tat Kurushva Madarpanam. Madarpanam. You should arpan. You should sacrifice for the service of Lord Krishna. Giving up all their activities unto me and being devoted to me without deviation. Engage in the devotional service and always meditating upon me. Having fixed their minds upon me, man manabho, mad bhakto, madhyaji mam namaskuru. Mame Vaisyachi Yuktvaibam Atmana Mat Parayana. Twice in Bhagavad Gita this verse is repeated. 2 बार भगवद गीता में श्लोक आया है. मन मना भो मद भक्तो मध्याजी माम नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि सत्यम ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोसी में. तो many time Krishna promise, why you are body, why you are suffering in this material world, sansara dava nalalita loka. This material world is fire blazing, like a fire is blazing in the forest. All the creatures, all the animals are frying the fire. Same way we are also suffering from the heat, cold, birth, death, many diseases like a corona, cancer, so many varieties of disease, problems, heat, cold, rain, heavy rain sometimes come, sometimes wind is so cruel, so heavy. By wind also home, everything can fly on the sky. I said Tufan. Sometimes, you know Tufan? What is say in English? Tufan? Storm. Sometimes in America also comes storm, very heavy. I went in the month of January in Mauritius. Many storms comes. After a week, after a month, come. Heavy rain, air, so many trees, plants fly on the sky, and many animals like a cow, dogs, they die on the road. Many cars are just floating on the water, on the street. Sometimes many difficulties come in the path of material world. So we should think how we can deliver from this sansara davanal. Sansar means this world is like a forest fire. Forest fire is very furious. If fire comes in the forest, in India we see sometimes in the summer seasons, fire comes in the forest. All the creatures, they are crying. They are suffering from the heat of the forest fire. Like a Vrindavan, once fire came, all the cow herd by there become very difficult position. But Krishna, he drink the heat and light of fire, like a fire brigade. Krishna is fire brigade. Unlimited fires came in the forest of Vrindavan. Krishna drank like a juice. Fire coming like a ocean. And Krishna drank all the fires. It light everything. Only Krishna can deliver from the fire like a forest fire. Sansar dava nalli dhaluka tranaya karunya ghana ghanattam. In the form of Guru, Krishna also comes. Sometimes Guru, the form of spiritual master, the form of Vedas, Gita, Bhagavad. Here Krishna is a promise. Having fixed their mind upon me, O son of Pritha, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Understand? You understand Hindi also? Everyone understand Hindi?
Yes.
You understand Hindi? No. Come near. Come near and closer. Why you are far away? My English is not so good. That's why I can come here. Come here, my dear. So near, so dear. What is your good name?
Roman.
Soumya.
No, Roman.
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 आज की फीस उन्हीं ने स्पॉन्सर की है।
You are a sponsorer today. You can sponsor everything for Krishna. You can sponsor your body, your mind, your intelligence, health, wealth. Everything we should dedicate a sponsor for the service of Krishna. That is called devotional service. You become a devotee of Krishna. Body, mind, wealth in the service of Krishna. BMW, one devotee said BMW. He become a BMW. Body, mind, wealth in the service of Krishna. That is real BMW. Someone hiring for BMW car. How I should purchase one BMW car. In India also, people attracted by BMW, Rouge, so many costly cars. Nowadays, every day, new models come. People always attracting. BMW, now BMW is not more famous. Many more higher. Every day, some cars comes, one after another. Before, people attracted for BMW car. How I can ride? When fortunate comes in my life, I can purchase BMW. But why you are hankering for BMW? You should himself become a BMW. Just you dedicate your body, your mind, your wealth, like you, like you.
Try.
We should dedicate our body, mind, wealth in the service of Krishna. That is real BMW. Now you have BMW. You can deliver others also. Your friend, your family, your relatives. You can deliver also. They also take advantage from you. They can see he is a very nice. He is feeding Krishna and all the devotee also. Feeding Krishna and Krishna devotee, the more important work. If you feed Krishna and Krishna devotee and both are satisfied, then whole world can satisfied. If you satisfied Krishna by offering eatables, by offering fruits, flowers, grains, milk, sweet, whatever you are eating, just you offer first to Krishna. That is prasad. Whatever eatables, if you offer with tulsi leaves, the service of Krishna, that becomes prasad. That bhojan and prasad. This is a bhojan. Food. That food, if devotee offered to the service of Krishna, that becomes prasad, like a milk. It turn in the curd, a different quality. Milk, there is you can put something, lemon or buttermilk. within a night in morning you can see the form of God. A difference from the milk. If someone drink milk, more quantity. If you drink milk like this much or that much, your stomach become undigested. You can get diarrhea. The doctor, if you ask doctor, my stomach is not so good. I am suffering from diarrhea, gastric. What I can do? Doctor simply take curd, black salt, and you can drink twice a day. Your stomach become cured. The same preparation, curd is also same, milk preparation, but difference. One hand same and another hand difference also. That become a medicine. If you affected by milk preparation, just you take buttermilk or curd, become your stomach cured. So same if this a table called food, if you dedicate in the service of Krishna, that becomes prasad. There is a 3 letter, prasad. There is 3 letter, pra, second sa, third the. 3 letter is there. Pra, and next sa, and next the. Prasad. Pra means Prabhu. Sa means Sakshad. Ada means darshan. Understand? That boy is smiling behind Haribol. What is good name? Red dhoti. रेड धोती वाला, लाल धोती वाला. आप कोई बोलो क्या नाम है? What is your name? Swapnil. Swapnil. Very wonderful name, Swapnil. You know the meaning of Swapnil? You know the meaning of your name? Swapnil. Come here.
He doesn't speak.
You're fearing now. Why asking my name? You give some punishment, maybe. Don't bury. Don't bury Hari and Kari. Why you are bury? I am just asking the meaning of your name. You should know the meaning of your name at least. What is the meaning of my name? You don't know? Swapnil? Don't know the meaning of your name?
ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है. ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है.
बोलता नहीं है. इसको बोलना चाहिए. कम बोलता है. चाहिए. कम बोलते हो. कम खाते हो. खाते हो कि नहीं खाते हो? कोई don't worry. Just I am joking. Swapnil. अच्छा, you know meaning? आप जानते हैं स्वप्निल का मतलब? Dream.
Just like having the dream. Just like dream.
Just like dreams.
He came to he's my son.
Your son?
Yeah, he came to my dream day before his birth.
Wow.
I saw and then
ताली बजाओ. He explained everything. Before coming, he comes in her dreams. I am coming, oh mother, I am coming. You indicate before in the dream of your mother. So, a nice, good boy. At least he sent the message, I am coming. Like a Jagannath coming on the road for devotee, he give message, I am coming. Lord Jagannath is coming on the path of our eyes. The same way he also comes your dreams. Mother, I am coming. Please arrange everything for me. Any other thing also he told me from you? No. Wonderful. फूड प्रसाद मीन्स प्रभु का साक्षात दर्शन है. प्र मतलब प्रभु, सा मतलब दो माने दर्शन. प्र मीन्स ओ मास्टर ऑफ कृष्णा, सुप्रीम लॉर्ड. प्र मीन्स, सा मीन्स विजिबल, डायरेक्ट विजिबल. सा मीन्स साक्षात, साक्षात दर्शन है, डायरेक्ट विजिबल. Lord Krishna is directly visible in the form of prasad. Prasad is also non-different. If food cooked by devotee with mantra and tulsi leaves, if offered in front of Lord Krishna and pray, oh my dear Lord, please accept whatever my capacity I just bring in from you. Please accept this. This thing is not as good as for you, but my capacity is this much. Please accept this, and please be mercy on these tables that become transcendental. If Krishna just see on the tables, Krishna is self-satisfied. He don't need anything. He is self-satisfied, Atma Ram. But just seeing his devotees work very hard for me, he makes all the tables in the service of me. By mercy, he just look upon all the tables, become a transcendental, like a sun. When sun rising in the eastern side, before rising everything become a happily, they can happily work, they happily move, they can wake up just before rising of sun. All the lotus, flowers, birds, all creatures, they comes in the energetic. जब सूरज के आने से पहले ही लोग सब बड़े ऊर्जावान हो जाते हैं. Birds also chewing, birds also speaking, all the plant, fruits, everything, there is some new energy get. Sun rising, the lotus also blooming. Just seeing the face of sun. Same way, when someone and whatever comes in front of Krishna, that become transcendental. That is prasad. प्रभु का साक्षात दर्शन है. So Krishna also say, whatever you are eating, you just offer me. After offering, that become transcendental. That means prasad. प्रसादे सर्व दुखानां हानिरस्योपजायते. That very important verse. But those who worship me, Madhyaji, he worship me. Krishna also mentioning in another verse, Man Manavo, fix your mind upon me. Mad Bhakto, become a devotee of me. Become a devotee of Krishna. Become a devotee of ISKCON. ISKCON के भक्त बनिए. ISKCON के भक्त बनिए. In somewhere there is a board, New Bhakt Department. New Bhakt Department there is a board also, become a devotee of ISKCON. ISKCON के भक्त बनी है. The one devotee saying ISKCON के भक्त is Bani is businessman. That both meaning. Bani means businessman. So what business? Just Krishna. Our business is, our business, in the center of our business only Krishna is the center of our business. Whatever, what activities you are performing, the center of Krishna, for the pleasure of Krishna. That means ISKCON के भक्त बनिए. Become a ISKCON devotee. मन मना भो. Fix your mind upon me. Krishna is giving insurance. If you perform your activities of your mind activity is sankalp, vikalp. You are always something thinking, you are desiring to something, you are hankering for something, you are blaming for something. कभी कभी हम लोग किसी को चीज़ को चाहते हैं, कभी किसी नहीं मिला तो उसको ब्लेम करते हैं, ये तुमने हमको नहीं दिया. Whatever our determination or desire, what activities you are, by mind you are performing so many activities also. Without hand, legs, by mind you are always doing something. Nonsense, goodness, auspicious, inauspicious, whatever the activities you are performing with mind. In dream also, mind is acting. In dream also, Mataji, his son comes in her mind. In dream also, mind, intelligence is always working day and night. So whatever activities you are performing with mind, just surrender. Mind you can surrender to lotus feet of the Lord. Oh my Lord Krishna, please catch in your lotus feet our mind bird. Mind is as like a monkey, always thinking, always jumping from one branch to another branch. Mind जो है बंदर की तरह है, एक डाली से दूसरे डाली पर भागते रहे, या पक्षी की तरह, like a bird also. Kulshekhar Maharaj is praying to Lord Krishna, oh Lord Krishna, please bind my mind birds in your lotus feet. Then he cannot move anywhere except your lotus feet. प्रयाण समय कफवात वित्तई कंठावरोधन विदोस्मरणम कुतस. कृष्ण त्वदीय पद पंकज पंज रात्रम अदैव में विशत मानुष राजहंस. ओ कृष्ण, today, अदैव माने आज ही, today you just, our mind is so twinkling, you please catch in the rope of your potency, then he cannot move anywhere. Just service your lotus feet. आप हमारे मन को अपने चरण कमल रूपी पिंजड़े में बांध लीजिए, जो इधर उधर नहीं भागेगा. तो मन मना भो मद भक्तो मद्याजी. Fix your mind upon me. मन मना भो मद भक्तो, become a devotee of me, worship me and pay obeisances unto me. The four things Krishna mentioned, just for four things. मन मना भो मद भक्तो मध्याजी माम नमस्कुरु. Very easy. Very easy. Anyone can perform. You are paying obeisances every day for others. So many. Just you pay our obeisances for Krishna. कृष्ण को प्रणाम, कृष्ण प्रणामी न पुनर्भवामी. Those who every day performing obeisances for Krishna satisfaction, he just by paying obeisance he can deliver from the birth and death. केवल प्रणाम करने से हम भगवान की कृपा को प्राप्त कर सकते. प्रणाम करना कौन सा है? केवल प्रणाम करो. If you cannot perform so many things, just you pay your obeisances. Whenever you come in the temple or home, in home also you can keep the pictures of Radha Krishna, Panchatattva, Jagannath. In front of the picture you just pay obeisances. कृष्णा प्रणामी. कृष्ण को प्रणाम करना बहुत अच्छा एक अंग है. विभीषण को प्रणाम ही न किए थे, उनको राजा बना दिए. विभीषण just come in front of Lord Ramchandra and pay obeisances. Lord Krishna just he take and embrace and make the king of Lanka. लंका के राजा बना दिए. Just he pay one obeisances. ऐसे को दयाल जग माही. In this material nobody is like it. Ram and Krishna, he so broad-minded. By paying obeisances, he gave the opulence, all the opulence of Lanka. Lanka is a golden city, so opulent. Just एक प्रणाम करने से भगवान लंका का राजा बना दिए. तो मन मना भो मद भक्तो मध्याजी माम नमस्कुरु. Four things you can perform. Man mana bhav, fix your mind upon Krishna, worship Krishna, become a devotee of Krishna, and pay obeisances for Krishna. Just four things, not so hard. Krishna never said you can perform 5 sacrifices, you can expend crores of dollars. No, just perform 4 things. Man mana bhav, fix mind upon Krishna. Mad Bhakta, become a devotee of Krishna. Worship Krishna, Madhyaji. Whatever he sends, flower, water, fruit, you can worship Krishna. And in this Kali Yuga, worshipping Krishna is very easy. Just by chanting holy name, this is the best worship for Krishna. Krishna satisfying only by chanting his holy name. कृष्ण का नाम जप करना ये सबसे बड़ा पूजा है कलियुग में. कलियुग में भगवान की आराधना नाम गान से होता है. सर्वश्रेष्ठ पूजा है. तार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन. In all kinds of 9 devotional service, there is a superior to chanting the holy name of the Lord. It's the best worship for Krishna. If you want to satisfy Krishna, just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Chanting of the holy name is the best worship. By this method, you can please Krishna easily. Anyone can chant, even a poorest of poorer, rich of richest, anyone. Just engage your tongue. By engaging tongue, chant the holy name and eat prasadam. And become a great devotee. Chanting of the holy name is the best path of devotional service. तार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन. और Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in the form of devotee, just training to us in chant, 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 chant. Prabhupada said one lady is requesting her husband, please chant, my dear, chant, chant. She can't. Prabhupada, one lecture. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful, he appeared in the form of devotee and he was touring in the forest of Jharkhand. You are chanting by hearing the mantra, tiger, lion, and furious animal like a lion also become a devotee. Become free from duality, 6 kinds of duality, anger, enmity, he forget. He had become a free from all 6 duality. And deer, tiger, lion, elephant, rabbit, rats, a snake, so many creatures, them embracing each other and chanting. Like a tiger and deer embracing one after another. They forgot every anxiety, every with bad of quality, they become a pure. You have become a free from 6 kinds of duality, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, मत्सर, इससे फ्री हो गए। तो बाघ और हरिण एक दूसरे का लिंगन कह के नाचने लगे। इतना भगवान का नाम में इतना ये है कि हम अगर जप करते हैं तो भगवान की कृपा जो है हो जाती है, और इसी के द्वारा भगवान की बेश आराधना होती है। आराधना नाम सर्वेशाम, विष्णु आराधनम परम। भगवान की श्रेष्ठ अवतार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन। जितने भी भक्ति के अंग हैं उसमें श्रेष्ठ है भगवान के नाम का जप करना, कीर्तन करना, chanting or congregational chanting, like one upon a time Narad Muni asked to Lord, where I can search you? Where is your permanent residence? What is your office and residence address? Where you reside? In Goloka, Vaikuntha, or earthly planet, or maybe in the heart of Yogi? Where I can search you? What is your address? Lord Krishna said, Naham vasami Vaikunthe, yoginam hridaya cha, mad bhakta jatra gayanti tatra tisthami Narada. O Narada, I am not residing in the Goloka planet, or Vaikuntha, or anywhere, not in the heart of devotee, yogi, though you are performing 8 kinds of Ashtanga Yoga. I am not residing in the yogi, or Nirvishesh yogi, or whatever yoga. But I am always residing there my devotee, if chant and dance, there is my permanent address. I can available every time, there my devotee is performing Sankirtan Yajna. In Kali Yuga, especially in this Kali Yuga, is the best sacrifice to perform the congregational chanting of the holy name. Yajanti Shumedhasa, wiseful man is performing Sankirtan Yajna. विद्वान लोग संकीर्तन यज्ञ करते हैं। जगई संकीर्तन प्राय संकीर्तन यज्ञ, जो बुद्धिमान लोग हैं भगवान के नाम का यज्ञ करते हैं, नाम यज्ञ, संकीर्तन यज्ञ। इन दिस कली युग ओनली सैक्रिफाइस मीन्स चैंटिंग ऑफ द होली नेम, यज्ञ नाम जप यज्ञोस्मि। लॉर्ड कृष्ण सेइंग, आई एम द Japa Yajna, Yajna Nam Jap Yajna. Among the all sacrifices there is a Sankirtan Yajna. Chanting of the holy name is the best sacrifice. Time is now over, so you can finish here. I am not regular speaker of English, but sometimes in broken language I can give the message whatever our capacity. मैं ज़्यादातर हिंदी में ही बोलता हूँ, कभी कभी इंग्लिश में अवसर मिलता है तो बोलता हूँ। ज़्यादा लोग भारत में हिंदी में लोग सुनना पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन मैं उतना इंग्लिश में अभ्यास नहीं है, लेकिन बोलते बोलते बोलने लगता हूँ। भगवान की कृपा होता है तो बोलते बोलते आदमी बोल लेता है। घी का लड्डू टेढ़ा भला, घी का लड्डू है, टेढ़ा भी है तो चल जाएगा, और डलडा में है, रिफाइन में है तो कितना भी साइज में बनाइए, गोल्डन पेपर में उसको ये करिए, अभी डलडा का ही ना है। घी का लड्डू है तो बहुत अच्छा। इफ द लड्डू मेड फ्रॉम द काउ घी, देयर इज साइज एंड पोजीशन इज नॉट सो गुड, in the look is not so beauty, but if the made from the cow ghee, that is the best. If you can eat on the leaf plate also. If you in the golden pot you are eating the refined or dalda preparation, that is not good. In the hand also, on the hand you can eat the ghee laddu, that is best. But if you eat in the golden plate, but that is not made from the ghee, that made from the dalda and refined and others. The best cow ghee preparation is best. गाय के घी में अगर जो बनता है, you understand my dear friend, no? Cow ghee, if the preparation made in the cow ghee, that's the best. गाय का घी बहुत अच्छा होता है, स्वास्थ्य। धन्यवाद। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।